Welcome to the making of a plaid heart card. I love this card because it's so easy to adapt to so many occasions. This blue plaid would be perfect for so many dads. I'm actually using it for an anniversary for my sister and her husband, who both love to wear blue plaid. But if it was pink and red plaid, it'd be perfect for Valentine's Day, or red and green, perfect for Christmas. I cut the stencil out of an old grocery bag, and I used washi tape to tape it down so that it would be very secure when I made the plaid. The plaid is super easy to make. It's just parallel lines going two different directions and using a clear straight edge with markings you can see through in order to line up the lines in the exact same distance. I'm just using the bottom of the numbers here to space every single time I have lines. And once I used one color, I used another color of blue, and then I did a third color of blue. The first two colors I did with sort of this medium width pen, which is the Tombow dual brush pen, and I used the other side to make a skinny line for the third and darkest color. If you like easy to implement ideas for greeting cards and bullet journals and fun and simple doodles, please subscribe and you'll get more content, and then other people will also be able to get this content as well. After I finished off the plaid, I made a simple line around the outside, and after I was done outlining the plaid very carefully, I took off the stencil that I made from the paper bag and carefully untaped it. Because I used washi tape, it didn't stick, and I would recommend taking it off immediately when you're done. After that, I simply added a little bit more thickness to a couple places on the line and made little adjustments that way, and the card is done. Thanks for watching. Have fun with your own art and creative endeavors, and I hope to see you next time.